Life is all we've got. Live it right, have fun, and make the best out of it. You are alive today, of course, not by your might and wills, or because you are the most beautiful. So stay calm. There's nothing to worry about. Cherish the moment, save the good times, and keep memories. You are here today because you are blessed. Even when times are hard, always remember that a lot of people who saw yesterday never lived to see the brightness of today. So be grateful for the gift of life.
For more videos, hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and share.